Linear inequalities for secondary school students. Solve the inequality. Negative 5x is less than 15. Represent your answer on the number line below. Now, there are actually two ways to do this, and I'm going to explain both ways to you. First method. Negative 5x is less than 15. Alright, the first method uses a flipping technique. So when we want to change the sign to a positive, alright, when you change this to positive, this sign also has to change. So that can happen. And you have negative 15. And once you flip the signs, the inequality also flips. Like this. Alright, so x is just more than negative 15 over 5. And then x is more than negative 3. Okay, this is the first method. Now, the second method, slightly different. Negative 5x less than 15. Okay, second method uses the inequality or treats the inequality like an equal sign. Alright, so you treat this like an equal sign and you bring the variable to the side that will make it positive. So at the moment, we need to shift this to the right side. And 15 goes over the other side. Inequality orientation remains the same. Remember, because we are treating this just like an equal sign. So look at the mouth of the inequality is pointing towards 5x. So 5x, mouth is still pointing towards 5x. Is more than negative 15. X is more than negative 15 over 3 over 5. Which means x is more than negative 3. Okay, second method, both exactly the same answer. Alright, so how do we draw this on the number line? X is more than negative 3. So have a circle there. Do not shade the circle because this is not more than or equals to. Okay, so your line, you can draw it like that. Okay, so again, do not shade this. You only shade when there is an equal sign in your inequality. Okay, final answer for this question.